Hey guys, today I would like to show you a really cool trick that it does not have any sleight of hand involved, okay? And it's a really powerful trick that you can be able to do in any situation that you like, okay? So now I have a normal deck of cards right here, okay? And now you can see that the deck is not in any sort of special arrangement or something. Okay, and now I'm gonna split the cards into two piles. And now I have a prediction that I haven't mentioned. And in a moment, I'm gonna have the spectator shuffle up the cards to their heart's content. And I can be able to predict how many cards, the position of the cards, and the condition of the cards, okay? So now, I'm gonna tell you how to shuffle these. I'm gonna divide it into two piles and split them around. And if you just shuffle them together, it's gonna be too easy for me, okay? So I want you to turn this pile upside down and push it into these piles. And I want you to take some of these piles and put them upside down into these piles, okay? As you can see, there's a lot of cards that goes upside down. And you can take the bottom cards and turn it upside down, push it in, and the top. And you can have the spectator do this step all on their own, okay? That does not matter. And when they're done, just fold the cards together. And you can see a lot of upside down cards, but it doesn't matter, okay? And now, I've already predicted the situation of these cards, okay? Now I'm gonna show you the prediction. We can have the envelope examined. There's no two pieces of papers inside. There's only one piece of paper, okay? And I'm gonna take it out. Spread out the cards, as you can see that I'm not doing anything. And my prediction is the cards are messy. And see, they're messy. But alright, that's not the trick, okay? If this is the trick, this is just a bad trick, okay? And now, there's more prediction, okay? Since you can see the paper is folded up. And you can see if I turn it around, it's gonna say, there are 23 cards. There are 23 face down cards. And now I'm gonna count the cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. And you can see there's no face down cards here, okay? So I predicted that there are 23 cards face down, but I might get lucky, okay? I might have gotten lucky. So now I'm gonna show you more of my predictions, okay? Okay, there are 13 black cards and 10 red cards in the face down cards, okay? 13 black cards and 10 red cards. And if I divide them into two piles, you can see black cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 black cards. And red cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 red cards. And I perfectly predicted these two amount of cards. Okay, and now let's see the next prediction. Next prediction. All the red cards are numbered cards. I'm gonna put the black cards away. All the red cards are numbered cards. You can see, all the red cards are numbered cards. Yeah. And now, there's more to this prediction. All the red cards are even numbered. So you can see 4, 6, 2, 10, 10, 4, 6, 8. Crap. There's a 5 of hearts. Maybe there's one more thing. Except for the 5 of hearts. And that is the trick. And let's get into the explanation. Okay, so now here's the explanation for this trick. Okay? And now, first I'm gonna tell you how to make this note, okay? First, you can select any card. In this case, I selected the 5 of hearts, okay? And so now, here's what I'm gonna do, okay? You're gonna have these notes in this sequence, okay? Except for the 5 of hearts, and all the red cards are even. We fold it up. All the red cards are number cards, and there are 13 black cards and 10 red cards and face down cards. And you can make your own amount of cards inside, but this is how I make mine, and you can take it as a recommendation. And there are 23 face down cards, okay? And in the other side it's gonna say messy. Okay, so now here's what you're gonna do, okay? You're gonna take out the note, and as you're in written, you got the 5 of hearts, so you have to take the 5 of hearts out, okay? And now fold it up. All the red cards are even numbers, so I got all the even number cards and the number cards, okay? So there are 9 and plus the 5 of hearts. So the 5 of hearts is the only odd number here. And can shuffle these cards up and can go on with the note. All the red cards are number cards, and I've prepared all the number cards. And now can put it up. There are 13 black cards and 10 red cards, as I have 10 red cards here, and you can pick out any 13 black cards that you want. And now there are 23 face down cards, and so you can shuffle these black cards and red cards together so that it does not look suspicious, okay? Shuffle them up together. So now we have 23 cards here, as you have predicted. 23 cards here and 10 red cards and 13 black cards. And all the red cards are number cards, and only the 5 of hearts is an odd number, okay? So the rest of the deck, you can shuffle them up as well. Shuffle them up. Okay? And later, you're gonna put these 2 piles together. But I would recommend that you have one joker in between them, so you know where to split the cards up, okay? And now you can put the prediction into the envelope, and now I'm gonna put it aside. I can have the spectator examine the whole thing, and now we're gonna take out your cards and explain to the spectator that it's an ordinary deck of cards, that there's no stack to it, and it does not look that there's a stack to it, right? Because all the reds and the black cards are mixed up. And now, as you can see, this half of the card is the half that matches your prediction, right? And you can see this is the reason why that I use a joker to kind of block them, okay? So that I know where to split the cards, and I don't need to remember some key cards. I just need to remember that I can split the deck in half, and then split the card from in between the joker, okay? Right beneath the joker, because the joker belongs to the half that does not match the prediction, okay? And now you can carry these things around, and then you can tell the spectator that there's no special stack to the deck. And when they say they want to if some spectator trying to be a dick and they want to kind of shuffle up the cards, you're gonna say, you can say that I'm gonna have you shuffle later on, okay? And now I'm gonna split the cards in half, and just at this point you can cut the cards right beneath the joker, and this top half, it does not match your prediction, okay? And this half matches your prediction. And now you have to put these two cards, these two piles face down, okay? And now you're gonna twist the cards up, and you can instruct the spectators to shuffle up the cards the way you wanted them to, okay? You're gonna say you're gonna take a portion of the cards and turn it upside down and push them into the other portion. And as you can see, that the cards from this pile will turn upside down into this pile. So these two piles will never get together. They will never mess together. Like, the face up cards are originally from this pile, and the face up cards in this pile originated from this pile, okay? So these, no matter how many times you do this, they do not get into each other. So you don't need to be afraid, that you don't need to worry about that the cards may not match your prediction. That's not gonna happen, okay? As long as you follow these steps, you can tell them that you can have pile of these right here, and a pile of these right here, and put them all together. That does not matter at all. And after their heart's content, after they're done with the shuffle, you need to take this pile and flip it upside down and put it on top of these. And now you can see that a 3, 7, 7. So now the face up cards does not match your prediction. So now this is the direction that you want them to be in, okay? So now square the cards up and make sure that this face is facing up, okay? And now you can take out the prediction that you have. Like, you can predict that, you can tell the joke that the card is messy, and it does. A lot of cards face up and a lot of cards face down. And now you can reveal your prediction. Like, there are 23 face down cards. And I like to kind of count on the table, okay? But it's kind of hard to do it, but it's gonna make it better, a better trick, okay? So I'm just gonna take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So there are 23 face down cards, just like your prediction. I can throw these cards away. And now you can turn them face up and let them see. And they wouldn't be able to find out that there's a spectre stacked to it. And now you can open up the paper. There are 13 black cards and 10 red cards, and you can split them up, or you can have the spectator split them into 2 piles and count them. Like, the whole counting process, you can have the spectator do it, so that they will think that the miracle happened in their hands, okay? And now we don't need the black cards. All the red cards are number cards. As you can see, they matches our prediction, as we've done right before the trick. And all the cards are even, and they're gonna see that the 5 of hearts is not even number, and that is, to me, the most powerful part of this trick. It's kind of add a kick to it. And now you can reveal that you've predicted, except for the 5 of hearts. Okay, so this is a pretty easy trick that does not utilize any sleight of hand. You just need to know how to sort the cards out. Okay, so if you like my video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, make sure to comment down below. And if you want more magic content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you guys in the next video. And peace out.